Pakistan's economy is forecast to grow at 3.6%, but this official figure masks a nation of stark contrasts. In the industrial heartlands, private investment has plummeted by 46% over 6 years, leaving manufacturers caught in a double squeeze, crippling energy tariffs, and a near-total lack of access to formal credit. At the same time, another economy is booming. A digital workforce, 2.3 million strong, and now the world's second largest, is bypassing the old system, injecting billions in freelance exports directly into cities like Karachi. This grassroots tech revolution acts as a critical lifeline, but it's a race against time. The country still faces a chronic cycle of IMF debt, a looming water crisis that threatens its agricultural core, and an energy grid that remains fragile. The defining question for Pakistan is which force will win: the stubborn decay of its traditional industries, or the explosive, decentralized growth of its digital future?